Fall is here, and you know what that means. Sweaters, pumpkin spice, and yep, prepping your home for the colder, rainier weather. Don't worry, I've got you covered with some easy tips to keep your home in shape this season. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, gutters. Leaves are coming down like confetti at a parade, only less fun when they're clogging your gutters. A little cleaning now saves you from water damage headache later. Tip number 2, drafts. Feel that cool draft creeping in? Grab some weather stripping, super easy to find at your local hardware store, and seal up those windows and doors. Your heating bill will thank you. And so will your toes. Tip number 3, heating systems. Time to show your heating system some love. Change out those filters, test the thermostat, and get it serviced before the winter rush. Trust me, you don't want to be on a waiting list for repairs when it's freezing outside. Stay toasty, friends. All right, with those 3 simple steps, you'll be ready for whatever fall throws your way, and you'll have more time for hot cocoa and movie nights. Have any questions about the real estate market? Call me at 508-287-8319. And hey, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more fun home advice in Plymouth County. See you next time.